Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a subtle yet intriguing change Apple has made to its new MacBook lineup. It's a keyboard tweak that might go unnoticed by many, but it's worth exploring. So, what's the big deal? Well, Apple has decided to remove text labels from several common keys on its new MacBooks, replacing them with glyphs or symbols. This includes keys like Tab, Caps Lock, Return, Shift, and Delete. At first glance, it might seem like a minor aesthetic change, but when you dig deeper, it reveals a fascinating story about standardization and Apple's global approach. Personally, I find this move quite interesting. Apple is known for its attention to detail and design consistency, so a change like this is notable. It's a step towards unifying its keyboard layouts across different regions, bringing them in line with iOS and iPadOS keyboards. This standardization makes sense from a functional perspective, but it also raises some intriguing questions. One thing that immediately stands out is the potential impact on new users, especially those switching from PCs. The text labels provide a helpful guide for beginners, and removing them might make the transition a bit more challenging. It's an interesting trade-off Apple has made, and it'll be fascinating to see how users adapt. Furthermore, this change highlights Apple's commitment to a more universal design language. By adopting glyphs, Apple is aligning its products with a near-universal standard, which is a bold move. It shows a confidence in its user base's ability to adapt and a desire to streamline its product experience globally. In my opinion, this keyboard tweak is a subtle yet powerful indicator of Apple's design philosophy. It's a reminder that even the smallest details can have a significant impact on the user experience. So, the next time you lay your hands on a new MacBook, take a moment to appreciate the subtle changes Apple has made to enhance your computing journey. What are your thoughts on this keyboard change? Do you prefer the text labels or find the glyphs more appealing? Let's discuss in the comments and explore the impact of these small design decisions on our daily tech interactions.